We are up at Granite Lake. We are putting in a small patio for one of our favorite projects. Check this place out. It's a beautiful home. There's our waterfall. We are putting in, we give you a quick lowdown. This waterfall we put in last year, but it was a refurbished from one we built about 12 years ago. So these steps all through here were here with the original one. We took them all out, we rearranged it, and basically overlapped it a bit, had it come down and be part of the stream. We did a little patio around the fireplace, stepped up, little kind of a viewing platform, and then we're putting in this patio up here, up top. So yeah, check out this view of the Granite Lake. Storm's rolling through right now. It usually happens about every afternoon up here. We got the patio done. You can see we stacked some layers here to tie it in. It was kind of tricky stacking into the step there, but it'll give them a good vantage point. We put breeze in between. We put a little bit of woolly thyme, also known as lemon thyme. It spreads and grows through the cracks. This should be a pretty nice view. Hang out up top. As you can see, it kind of matches the little tiny patio here. We could have went bigger here, I guess, originally. And then we have the downstairs lower level. It's the best view right here, though, of the waterfall, that's for sure. Right here. Let's see what the patio looks like from down here. Looks pretty good with that stacked wall.